I know. I can't lose him. Left! Take the left! That's a dead end. Just do it! We're too close. He's too close. Don't look back. Don't look back. I have to. Focus on the road! Bang! He hit us! He hit us! Keep driving! Keep driving! I can't shake him. I can't shake him. Don't slow down. Whatever you do, don't slow down! He's right there. Right behind us! Then lose him. No. He's still on us! He doesn't stop. We're running out of road! Then make one! I can't! Yes, you can! Go! He's still there. Why won't he stop? Because we didn't die yet. No! No.